Contex offers a 30-day free trial of Nextimage Repro software. Just go to our website, fill out the form, open the email, click the download link, and install the software on your computer. Follow the installation wizard instructions. The first time you open Nextimage software, you are presented with a product activation dialog. Simply click Postpone to begin your 30-day trial period. You are also asked to choose your basic preferences. Click OK to continue with the default settings. When scanning without a connected scanner, you do not need to install the wide system software. Click OK to continue in demo mode. The following times you open Nextimage, it will search for a scanner. Click Stop Search and OK to enter demo mode. Enjoy your free 30-day demo scanner trial.